Okay, this is going to be a quick video on driving on icy back roads and the outcome after you've lost control. Now, I'm actually quite surprised I'm going to be making this video, to be honest with you. I guess I was just unlucky, but yeah, again, I'm very lucky I got out with my life, because what I'm about to tell you is, I wouldn't say shocking, but typical, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, I'm going to try and show you kind of like a how it went down from my eyes. So the road goes round on kind of a, not a tight bend, but quite tight bend, and then it goes straight, and then you go round and straight again. But in between that is where it bear with me, my brain's a bit fucked in a minute. It's straight. And yesterday we had a mixture of rain and snow and ice cold weather, cold conditions, should I say. And yeah, it caused black ice. And what I thought the road was fine, I was wrong. Fucking dead wrong. So this is going to be my car, for example. And let's see if this one stands up. Tell you what, I'll use this fuse instead. That is, say, the lamppost, not a lamppost, telephone pole, and there's a ditch just past it. So I've gone round this bend like this. The back end of the car's gone like that, started swaying. It's gone like this. I've spun it round like this. It's gone like that, skidded along, twatted the back of the thing, the telegraph pole, gone like that. It's gone like that again because I still had it locked up. Gone over a ditch and into someone's driveway, and thankfully there was no cars around in that driveway, because I would have probably written one or two off. So yeah, I'm fine. Everything's fine. I hit it doing 60, so yeah, the car, it's a fuck off, it's a write off. The only thing it's good for now is basically spare parts. All it's got is it's got a good running engine, and everything else runs fine. I just got to scavenge the parts out of it, really. Like, the only thing isn't right anymore is the rear tail light, and the bumper is fucked, so it's scratched to hell and back, and the chassis is a fuck up. It is fucked. My camcorder's about to die, so I'll switch to my phone. It's going to be a little bit of a quality difference, but I do apologise. Okay, so this is the conditions we have at the moment. It's like snow / frost and black ice, and it's no different out the front either. So let me go show you the state of the bumper first, and we'll go on from there. So, don't look it, but it's actually quite fucking slippy out here. You can see that the reflection there, that's not water, that's actually ice. And that's what I hit, doing fucking 60. I do apologise for my swearing, as you can see. So, it's not bad because Mum's put the bloody kettle on it. She put the kettle on everything like that to stop it from busting. She did put the kettle on that. Oh well. Anyway, getting back to the point. Where is it? Because literally my bumper's just been chucked in here because my dad's an absolute goose sometimes when he gets woken up, and he gets pissed off rather easily. So, fuck's sake, here we go. So this black thing here is the inside of my bumper. And the car's got rear parking sensors, and as you can see the connectors have been ripped off, but the wires have been damaged, except for that one and a few others. But this is the bottom of the what was it? No, that's the top actually. That's the top that goes in the car. Yeah, it's scuffed along the road a little bit. As you can see, it's a bit fucked, but yeah, that's beside the point. You should see the state of the body of the car. So that's slowing house. Don't worry about that. That's slowing house. You see the front of the car's perfectly fine. Minus that dent, which could have come out a lot easier. Right. Nose and fit mission. It's locked. Back in and the bumper's come off. Now you're probably thinking, why does it curve like that? Well, if I show you. I haven't had a chance to investigate this thing fully, but as you can see, that's where the back tyre is. And, you probably can't tell it. That's a lot far back. So this is the connectors for the rear parking sensors. Connectors. It's gone. So what's left of the towel light. It's absolutely fucked. Check this out. It is fucked, man. It is fucked. Let's take a look at that. That's what happens when you lose control on an icy surface. The car's a write-off. The door doesn't even shut. It hardly opens either. The door's fucked. Just split it. You see the mechanics in there for the window. You see? Yeah, it's fucked. It's absolutely fucked. Still got mud and shit in here. But no, that's beside the point, isn't it? But yeah, it's all crumpled in here. And it's just fucked. Absolutely, it's fucked. Absolutely, it's fucked. I mean, it still opens. Can't get the fuel out because it's fucked. Still got bits of wood from the fucking telephone pole. From the telephone pole. Surprised the rear axle ain't bent, but it actually drives fine. That says it drives fine. No more than scrap metal now, boys. Nothing else but scrap metal. Still starts, still runs. It's just fucked. The engine's fine. What not? I might have smashed the oil pan, I don't know. 'Cause I smell oil. No, still got oil in it. Yeah. This thing is fucked. Yeah, it's still got some good parts. See if she does a cold start. I've got juice. No, here, I'll put fucking 30 quid in the fucking thing. And it's decided to call it quits. See if she starts. Engine runs fine. That's just the belt sleeve. Cool.